Welcome to another edition of our Restore series for IBM Spectrum Protect Plus. In this edition, we're going to create a fenced network when restoring VMware virtual machines to an alternate location. First, I'll log into the interface. And we'll get to the dashboard. We'll expand the hypervisor and VMware and see Restore. Next, we'll select the virtual machines we'd like to create for that fenced network. So here we'll see that we have Linux 1, Linux 2, Windows 1, and Windows 2. We'll select all of those to restore. If I select these blue boxes here on the right, now what I'll do is go to the Options button, select that, and it'll scroll down for me. And we'll select Alternate ESX Host or Cluster. And you can see here it gives me a list of those specific hosts. And I'll select 110 because the 185 cluster or hypervisor has the originals or production. So we'll select that, and I'm going to put it on 119 since I checked and it actually has the most memory available. Once I've selected the host, I'll scroll down and make my selections for network settings, destination data store, and if I want to VM folder destination, run any scripts, and then any advanced options that I might want to select. So I'll leave my setting for test, restore. I'm going to go into my network settings, and I'm going to select the production network, which I believe is the IBM VM network. And I'm going to select my test network, and that's going to be VM network 2. And then below you can see here I have several options to choose from, and I'm going to leave the default. Next, I'll select the destination data store, and here I'll say that it will be ESX data store 1 for both. And we're finished there. Once again, I'm not going to actually select the VM folder destination or any scripts. I don't have any to run currently, but I'm going to actually select the advanced options. So here you can see I have some options. I'm going to select one, this power on after recovery, and leave the defaults for the others. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to scroll down a little bit and select Save. That creates my restore job. And once that's completed, I can manage the job or select Restore. So I'm going to select Restore. You can see here that it's actually created it successfully. And in a few minutes, it will be completed. You can see here the job is running in the job session. Now you can see the progress is at 100% and the resource is active, and you can see below that the active clones or test machines, Windows 2 test 0, Linux 1 test 00, Windows 1 test 00, and Linux 2 test 00 are below and active. So what I can do is I can actually scroll down a little bit and look at the actions button. Now remember in the previous video we actually did a cleanup. But we can also do two other options, and that is move to production, and it uses vMotion to do so, or we can clone with the VM name that's assigned here. So now what we'll do is we'll actually go over to the vSphere web client, show you these specific virtual machines on that hypervisor. So we'll go over to the client and navigate towards the virtual machines, and we'll scroll down and take a look if they exist. And here you can see the Linux 1 test 00, Linux 2 test 00, scroll down a little bit more, and you can see the Windows 1 test 00 and Windows 2 test 00. So that's creating a fenced network on an alternate location with IBM Spectrum Protect Plus. So we'll go back to the interface, And what we'll do here is we'll clean up. So let's clean up. That removes the active clones or resources. And then once it's updated and the job is completed, we'll go back to the vSphere web client and show that the virtual machines have been cleaned up off that hypervisor. You can see here that the job is running to remove those machines, or the cleanup process. So we'll go over there and take a look at the list. And we can see here that those 2 Linux machines are gone and the Windows machines are gone. And you can see the actual cleanup job is completed. So that's creating a fenced network when doing a restore with IBM Spectrum Protect Plus for VMs on VMware.